Good morning, I am Kritika and today I am going to tell you about what is SIP or lump sum and where you should invest your money. So what is SIP? SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. SIP is a tool of mutual fund. SIP is a process in which you can invest small amount of money is usually weekly, monthly and quarterly. What is lump sum? Lump sum is an amount of money paid all at once rather than in several smaller amounts. Rupee cost averaging means if you purchase more units when the prices are low and less units when the prices are high. As you can see in this picture, your investment is 1000 rupees. When you started, then you get 2.8 units and per unit cost rupees is 357.14. Now see, market is high, then you will get a less 2.1 units in more prices. And when market is low, then you will get more units in less money. In SIP, you can choose any amount of money, but the minimum amount should be 500 rupees. And second is you can choose any period mean you will invest your amount weekly, monthly or quarterly. And third is you can stop anytime. Benefit of SIP. You can start with low amount. Second, you have no need to track market. Third, you can develop a habit of saving. And fourth is cost is averaged. Which is better, SIP or lump sum? I am giving you an example that you can understand easily. Now I am going to tell you difference between SIP and lump sum. I have two investors X and Y. X has 10,000 rupees every month, so he decided invest 10,000 rupees per month a year. Y has 10,000 rupees, so he decided invest his money in lump sum. So X invests 10,000 rupees every month. In January, Nav is 15 and he gets 666 units. In Feb, Nav is 12 and he gets 833 units. In March, Nav is 10 and he gets 1000 units. In April, Nav is 15 and he gets 666 units. In May, Nav is 13 and he gets 769 units. In June, Nav is 8 and he gets 1250 units. In July, Nav is 11 and he gets 909 units. In August, Nav is 14 and he gets 714 units. In September, Nav is 9 and he gets 1111 units. In October, Nav is 11 and he gets 909 units. In November, Nav is 10 and he gets 1000 units. In December, Nav is 15 and he gets 666 units. Total unit is 10,493. Y invests 10,000 rupees in lump sum. So NAV is 15 and Y unit is 3,333. Now you can see X got more unit in comparison to Y. That is why SIP is more beneficial in comparison to lump sum. Thank you for watching.